Hi guys, my name is Gauri and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing really great and safe out there at your homes. If you are new to my channel, I would highly appreciate and thankful if you could just take a moment and subscribe to my channel down below. You can also follow me on my Instagram and this is how it looks like. So yeah, let's quickly begin with the video now. I must tell you guys that this is the most requested video ever on my channel. Like, my Instagram was filled since the day I bought this palette, that Gauri, we want a review on this palette and all everything. So here I am. I know I'm super late for this. I bought it I think 1 month ago or so, but yeah, I'm back now. So yeah, this is the Swiss Beauty Fashion Artist eyeshadow and blusher palette. This is how it looks like. This is the outer packaging of this palette. And so starting with the price point, this retails for MRP 499, but I got this for 399 rupees. I got it from a local market. So yeah, this is how the palette looks like, and this is how it opens from here, and there you have this gorgeous palette. Okay, I broke one shade, this shade. So okay, I'm gonna give you a close-up look for this. Coming to the packaging of this palette, okay, it has that click. Can you listen that like trick? The packaging is not flimsy at all. It is really good quality. Can you listen that? Okay, so it is of really good quality. So coming to what this eyeshadow palette has, this has 16 eyeshadow colors. It has 2 blushers, then you have 1 contour bronzer, then you have 1 highlighter. This is a pinky shade highlighter. So yeah, okay, I think we should quickly jump into the swatches of this beautiful palette. Then I'm gonna give you my final verdict for this palette, that you should buy this or not, or how about the pigmentation and everything. Now let's quickly begin with the swatches. Swatch this pinky highlighter, and this is the highlighter. I would say this is not that pigmented and bomb, but this is sort of okay. So yeah, like okay, the blush is really pigmented, quite pigmented. Then we have this second blush. this is more of the peachy. Okay, this has a lot of fallout. Okay, I'm not a huge fan of this contour bronzer shade. It has firstly, it has a lot of fallout, and as you can see in the palette, like it has a lot of fallout, and this is the shade. So yeah guys, that was the swatches of this palette. I would say I am not a huge fan of this palette, but if you are starting out, you're a beginner, you need to play around with colors on your eyes and all. So this is really good for you guys, because this is under budget. You don't need alag se blush, contour and everything. It has highlighter, contour, brush and everything. You have such beautiful color. You have this yellow, then purple, green, red, yellow and whatnot. You have black, browns and every color. So yeah, I would say this is really good for beginners out there, but for price point, I would say this is okay. Like, I cannot complain for the price. So yeah, the quality you are getting, it gives you fallout. Some colors are pigmented and some are not pigmented at all. They give so much of fallout. So yeah, I would give this palette like 4 out of 5, because just for the price point. I would recommend this palette for all the beginners out there. So yeah, that's all. Or also, I forgot to mention that this is in the shade 4. So yeah, that is all. If you are practicing out, you can definitely give this eyeshadow a try. It's a thumbs up for me for the price point for the beginners. So yeah, I'm repeating same things again and again, but yeah, a lot of you were asking me about where did you got this from. I got this from a local market, local store, but you can order this from Nykaa, and this is available on Nykaa as well, but the shade number 4 is not available, you guys. So yeah, I think you can definitely check this out in your local market. You'll definitely gonna get your hands on this one. So yeah, I think I've covered all the things, all the points for this video. If I missed any, so do let me know down in the comment section. I would love to reply you guys and help you out. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video and it was helpful for you in any way. So yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.